Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw YouTube Super Thanks earnings to AdSense. To withdraw your YouTube Super Thanks earnings to AdSense, first, navigate to the YouTube Studio. Log into your YouTube account if you have not already done so. Once in the YouTube Studio, look for the Monetization tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Monetization tab to access your earnings information. In the Monetization section, locate the Supers tab. Click on the Supers tab to view your Super Thanks earnings. You will see your total earnings from Super Thanks. Confirm that your earnings have reached the minimum withdrawal threshold set by YouTube. Next, click on AdSense in the Monetization section. If you haven't linked your AdSense account yet, follow the prompts to create a new account or link an existing one. Once your AdSense account is linked, navigate back to the Monetization tab. Check if your Super Thanks earnings are reflected under your AdSense account. If everything looks correct, proceed to withdraw your earnings. Visit the AdSense website and log into your AdSense account. On the AdSense dashboard, look for the Payments section. Here, you will see your available balance and the withdrawal options. Select your preferred payment method for the withdrawal. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the withdrawal process. Be sure to check the payment timeline for how long it may take to receive your funds. Finally, keep track of your earnings and future withdrawals to ensure smooth transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.